Namaskar, welcome to Vandana's art classes. In our Aripan series, today we are going to learn Nistar Aripan. Nistar means ending, Samapan. So, this is a beautiful Aripan which is drawn at the end of Madhushravani Mass. And we will draw it on A3 size brown color paper because basically before drawing the Aripan, the earth is covered by either by cow dung or by geru powder. So either it is brown color or the like ochre color type that thing, red color type thing. So I'm drawing on the brown color. So let's start. So we are starting the Nistar Aripan. So first line is 1 centimeter. Right now I'm drawing in pen and then later on I will cover it with the acrylic paint. So on all the four sides we are drawing 1 centimeter line. So first line we have drawn 1 centimeter. Next we are going to draw 1 inch. I'm just taking the scales measurement to make my work easy. And next is again 1 centimeter. So our paper will look like this. Now, I will show you one side of the border. This border is a little elaborate. It's not as simple as we had other borders. We will have this corner space. Okay, this is our corner space. And in this corner space, we are going to make a lotus. In each corner, there will be one lotus. Lotus will have these two things coming out. This is Madhubani lotus. There are many designs to make Madhubani lotus. In this, center one has this, then sides have this, bottom, center one will have cross. Okay. Now with this, one line will come and we will have leaves around it. Another line is going. Now it's very simple. We'll just make a wave. Each wave is 7 centimeter in my drawing. It depends on your paper size. And in each wave, we have one lotus. Same design. And around this, we have leaves. If you want, you can fill white color in the leaves. Then we have next lotus. This is a border design. Now this lotus will be facing outside. And design will go like this. Here we are drawing mehrab. So that is how our design will go. Now I'll start from the bottom. In the corner, we will draw the design, but first we will see how much place we have and accordingly we will draw the design. Okay, because everybody may not have same place as what I have. Now, so we will find the midpoint. Midpoint is here. This is 20 in my case. So midpoint is at 10. And we'll find midpoint here again 10. And we'll draw a dotted line which will be erased later from here to here. every drawing will be around this. But remember, it should be very light because we have to erase it. We are not keeping it. We have to erase it. Now, first thing, we have found the middle line. Now, at the height of 7 centimeter on the middle line, draw a point and draw a straight line, just dividing it. And after 1 centimeter, draw another straight line throughout. Then after 1 centimeter, draw another straight line. So first line at 7, then 8 and 9 from the bottom. I'm going this way, please see. Okay, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now we will take 2 centimeter. So at 11, from the bottom at 11, draw another line. Later on, we have to erase all these lines. Then at 13 from the bottom, then 15 from the bottom, 17 from the bottom, 2 centimeter is each, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27, 29. Okay, so I'll repeat it. From the bottom at 7, first line, 8, 9, then 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27, and 28. So this lotus will be facing out. So design will be going like this. And then this will be, leaves will come, these small leaves will come here. So our border will be drawn like this. Now here what we have drawn, the 7 centimeter. This is the 7 centimeter. Please mark a dot at 5. Okay, then at 4. 5 and 4. And on 7 centimeter line, take both sides 3 centimeter. That means 3 here. So 6 and 1. Okay. And what we are going to do, we are going to draw penny. Now, on this 7 centimeter, can you please mark 2 centimeter points? Like 1 will be here, then 1 here, 2, like this. And from the midpoint, we have taken 3 centimeter and we are making this leaf. Here, we are drawing 1 line. We are dividing this into various parts. There's no rule, but we can divide as many as possible. We are filling dashes here. Now we have to make 9 triangles on this line. Okay, so we will make 9 triangles. Both sides I have left 1 centimeter. Better to draw 1 triangle in the center and then 4 on each side. These triangles will have double line. We can make this base line little more prominent. On the top of it, we have to make 7. So again, I will draw a line. First one I'll draw here in the center. Again, horizontal lines. Now next line we do 2 centimeters. So in the center we are drawing a lotus. Then one in between these two, 7 lotus we have to draw. Okay, so this is the 1 and 3 here and 3 there. Within the height of 2 centimeter, we'll draw 7 lotus. Seven lotuses are red. Now we will draw another line from tip of this lotus till midpoint of this lotus. Now we have to draw 6. So what I'll do, the center one I will draw here. When you all are drawing this, I'm going to draw the corners at the base. It's not necessary to draw corners on all the 4 sides. It depends on the space, how much space you have. Now exactly this, take your pencil and keep it this way and draw a dotted line. So we know that we have to make these petals here. As we all know, this is another border design. If we want, we can fill color in the petals. And here we are making a mango carry, or turanj we call in Hindi. This is one corner. This is next corner. Please take same radius, whatever suits you. Again, see here the midpoint. If you are not confident, just mark a dot so that you know this is the midpoint. So, leaves will be around that midpoint. And this is our mango cake. So this is our corner design. Now these are 6. Okay. So on the top of 6, we have 6 lotuses. Okay. So now we will not draw the lines, but we'll just draw this design in between. Lotuses will have same design what we have drawn here. Okay. I'll show you in one. Now, so each tip will have one lotus. So we know around our baseline that height of each lotus should be same, and we have to manage within that distance. That was 2 centimeter. Now, tip of these two will be joined and total there will be 5 triangles. Again, if you remember, this is 2 centimeter. We are not drawing baseline in white paint. Again, one line in the center. Okay, now on the top of this, we had 6 now. Now we will have 5 lotuses. So one I will draw exactly on the middle line. Again, remember the height will be 2 centimeter. Okay. Now we will have 4 triangles. So how we'll draw? With the tip this, then this, then this and this. Again, same design. Now 4 lotuses. Here there were 5, now 4. Now join this one's tip with this one. Okay, now 3 lotuses. Did a mistake. This should be in the straight line of center one. 2. And now finally 1 exactly in the middle. This is mori. It has a specific design. 3 lines on the top. Now slowly I will join these. So all lotuses, we are drawing the same design. Two or 3 lines, whichever can easily fit. Please don't forget to remove all the pencil marks. Now this one will be facing outside. Again, each wave is 7 centimeter. You can do approximately, but I measured and after measuring, I have drawn the waves because I found that if I draw after measuring, it's better result. All lotuses will have this design, same design. If you want, you can fill white color in the leaves, these petals. With this, our Aripan is complete. I hope you like the tutorial. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing the information about my YouTube channel.